my name is Olivia and my project focused on ethylene's effect on fruits. The question that drove my research was, how does ethylene affect the number of days it takes certain fruits to ripen and spoil? And from this question formed the hypothesis. If I expose fruit with a high level of ethylene to another ethylene producing fruit, then the number of days it takes both of the fruits to spoil decreases. My research began with the origin of ethylene, which dates back to the ancient Egyptians and Chinese. The Egyptian harvesters cut open figs to speed up the ripening process of their crops, while the Chinese left pears in closed rooms with extreme heat. Later, in 1901, Russian scientist Dmitry Nezhbal concluded ethylene could also affect plant growth. Years later, scientists found out that plants produce their own ethylene. Today, scientists take advantage of ethylene for latex production and for the genes they produce, which can accelerate ripening of fruit or delay the process whenever necessary. For my first experiment, I tested how long it takes bananas to spoil when placed next to cucumbers, which are ethylene sensitive. On days 1 through 4, the bananas did not change very much. On day 5, a few brown spots started to occur and even more formed on day 6. As for the cucumbers, they did not have any changes until day 3 when they began to soften and continue to soften as the days went on. By day 6, the insides were very mushy. The next experiment I conducted was testing how bananas react to ethylene. To do this, I placed 2 peaches and 3 bananas into a brown paper bag. The bananas started with a few brown spots the first 2 days. But by day 3, the amount of brown spots tripled. The brown spots continued to increase on days 4 and 5, and then on day 6, the bananas were completely spoiled. The first 2 days, the peaches were extremely hard and a pale red-yellow. However, by day 3, the peaches were dark reds, yellows, and softer, and mold instantly started forming at the top. On day 5, mold started forming on the other peach, and on day 6, they were mushy and ready to be thrown away.